The summer experiences I was involved in included Chatty Champions, which involves articulation and phonological disorders, and then Tech Tykes, which has to do with language and literacy. And then I got to see individual clients for a multitude of different things.
So I was involved in Tech Tykes, which is language and literacy based. I was also involved in Chatty Champions, which is articulation and phonological disorders. And I was also involved in individual treatment where I got to introduce AAC device or augmentative alternative communication to a child and his family.
I was involved in Tech Techs over the summer, which is a language and literacy camp for the pediatric population, as well as Tech Tasters, which is a feeding group for the pediatric population. I also did oral rehabilitation, which is the intersection of audiology and speech language pathology. And lastly, I was involved in a voice group with Dr. Van Sickle.
Starting clinic in the summer helped me get familiar with the layout of the clinic, and then also helped me get familiar with how the clinic ran, and I got to work closely with my mentors. I also got to work really closely with my peers because we got to see each other every day, the majority of the day in clinic. And then it also helped me figure out how to do clinic without having to also balance classes.
I think an advantage is the opportunity to work closely with the faculty and staff. I think it gives you a good opportunity to build rapport with your clinical instructors, and it gets you on a first name basis. And so when you come into your fall semester, you already have that rapport built, and it's an easier transition into classwork and just back into the clinic in general.
So the advantages of starting clinic in the summer are pretty extensive. I'm not from Tech undergrad. I went to UT Austin for my undergraduate studies, and coming to Lubbock, I had some time getting familiar with everything around Lubbock as well as the campus itself, because it is pretty massive and you can get lost between the two different clinics. So getting used to clinic as well as clinic grading, getting to know our professors on a more intimate level was very, very nice to have.
I think a big benefit to starting in the summer is getting to see second year graduate students perform therapy and then get to start. We're not just thrown in. And then I think another benefit would be working closely with OT students and getting to learn about different techniques that we can implement into speech therapy.
One advantage to starting clinic in the summer would be the collaboration with the occupational therapy students. It gave me a more well-rounded outlook and approach to the way that I will treat my clients in the future. So not only from a speech standpoint, but also from an occupational therapy standpoint and what would best support them.
A unique aspect of starting in the summer was having second years as our mentors, and I feel like that really helped my self-confidence, especially in the summer and taking over their clients in the second half of the summer. I feel like it's benefited me a lot now, especially as an individual clinician working with individual clients and also in group settings.